We've stopped for some lunch. This is called bandeja paisa, and it is beans, egg, pork, avocado. There's an arepa there, nice. And it looks big enough. Oh, and rice underneath the egg. Yeah, and we're going to share this before exploring the town. This is Salento, the centre, the plaza with Simon Bolivar's statue. I'll just spin round and show. And we're going to have a look around the town, film all the pretty houses and do some shopping. And in that far corner is the street we're first going to go up. So we're just going to walk up what's considered to be the main shopping street in Salento, and it's going to take us to a viewpoint at the end of the street that we're going to climb up, and then we can have a look over the whole town. And this at the end is the Mirador, the viewpoint. We're going to climb these steps and have a look across the city, the town. I'm getting to the top now. We're going to see what the views are like. So we came up the steps and we're going back down a different way, going back down the road. This is a nice gentle walk down from the top. Hola! That's the main shopping street. There's Lisa there, plunked down, we're going to have a beer. And that's where we started our little circular walk up to the top. There's the steps up. We found the fire station in our wanderings. And that's what a Colombian fire truck looks like. So this cafe is called Grow Ganja, and they sell weed chai and some different drinks with marijuana in it. And they've even got a little plant growing there in their cafe itself. Now the stuff inside the drinks is CBD, it's not THC, so that's legal here. And it's legal to grow 20 plants for personal consumption in Colombia. Well, it's gone past sundown and just walking around, the places are getting quite illuminated. Just about 8 o'clock at night and the shops are still open down the side streets. Well, we've eaten down there, we've eaten on the other side of the square, and tonight we're eating at this place. And what we've got is a bowl of salmon soup, and we've got trout coming, and if my maths is correct, that's £4 per person. And this salmon soup is delicious. What we are dealing with here seems to be a large piece of fish on some crispy, what was that, plantain, was it?
Plantain, yeah.
We've got the rice, we've got a bit of salad, and just coming off the main square down Carrera 6. It's lively and bustly. Look at the artwork here. We've come to the place where we had a drink earlier for some live music, which is blowing away now. And we're going to go and find somewhere to sit down and listen to a bit of live music, which is going off in here right now. There he is.
It's 11 o'clock now.
Yeah, there's 2 bars open. There's one over there, and there's the one, that's the noisy one, and we're sat in the quiet one. And this is the last drink for the night, and then back to the hotel, because this one, as you can see, is closed as well. This town is not a 24-hour town. It sort of shuts 11 to it's 12 o'clock now. We found a place to play throw a silver ball
at a hole.
At a hole, and Lisa won.
You forgot the bit about on my birthday.
On your birthday. It's just really nice walking around here late at night where it's deserted. There's only a few people about.
And a few stray dogs.
This is our really pretty looking hotel, Casa Salento.